Hello again guys, today I want to show you how to make a professional YouTube banner, using a free online service from canva.com. The first step to remember is the size format for YouTube's banner or channel art. The recommended banner size is 2048 by 1152 pixels. I am going to assume that you are familiar with Canva and how it works. With that said, please make sure that your project's dimensions are set up correctly as shown here. If you would like a separate tutorial on how to use Canva, please type it in the comments below. Next up, we head on over to a website called Wyzowl. The link is in the description below. Scroll down to the section named YouTube Channel Art Size Guidelines. Here's a visual guide to YouTube banner dimensions to help put those numbers in perspective. Right-click on the image and open Image in New tab. Right-click on the image again and this time click on Save Image As. Save the image to a location where we can find it in a few seconds, to upload to Canva for this tutorial's purpose. Back over at canva.com, open up the folder where you previously saved the image you downloaded before. On the left menu in Canva, click on Uploads, then just drag and drop the downloaded image in order for it to upload to your Canva project. After the image successfully uploaded, click on it. This will add the image to your opened project. Now all you have to do is stretch and fit the dimension image perfectly with your project. Add some graphics and text to your Canva project, designing your banner image for YouTube. Try and stay within the light blue rectangle. This is your guideline. If a graphic is too large, just resize it. Same goes for text. Add some decorations as well, make it look professional. Once you are happy with the placement of your graphic and text placements, simply click on the background image you imported, that is the dimension guideline image, and hit the delete key to remove it. Now, all you have to do is add your own background, or choose a free background from the Canva library. Do the same as with the guideline image by fitting the background image to your project. If the image is showing above your graphics or text, just click on Position while you have the background image selected, and select Move Backward or Send to Back. When you have completed editing your YouTube banner and are happy with the result, download it. We can now upload it to YouTube and see how well it fits, and if the new YouTube banner is visible on all devices. Wow, it fits beautifully. You can now click Done, and hit Publish to display your new professional YouTube banner to your audience. Thank you guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and to subscribe if you have not done so yet. See you next time, goodbye.